You hear that? Fucking instantaneous response of the 2-cylinder 471cc 43 horsepower 38 newton meters of torque.
I wouldn't really call that an instant response, but
Honda engineering at its best right here, son.
it's like a fat man instantly getting off of the couch to change the TV channel.
I have a compressor, like I said, if you want to check it at a later time. I thought we were going, we're going to ride first and then go to Five Guys.
What?
We're going to ride first and then go to Five Guys.
I guess, yeah, something.
Alright, that sounds cool. Ooh, red light runner. Smells cigarettes. Probably nasty food. I don't like the food here at this place. Still haven't put my feet down. Still didn't put my feet down. Balance. See, here's another classic BMW right here. It's the E30. It's nice. That's a sweet little ride right there.
It's like $1,200.
No, dude. Not even close. All from the crosswalk. I was thinking the same thing, dude. If it is, I haven't spotted them yet, but they have one just like it, but in white.
That should be.
Yeah, you got it, dude, but you could have went. I don't know.
Should have, would have.
I have to do some more investigating on that yellow car. Keep my eye out.
Oh yeah, you're colorblind.
What do you, was it yellow or what?
It was kind of yellowish. It was greenish, yellowish.
I'm good with yellows. I just have problems with green and brown and blues and purples.
Curtis? Oh, he's giving a thumbs up.
Yeah, he said nice bike.
I think he's talking to you or
me. He's talking to me for sure, dude. Come on, I'm on a Honda. Oh, what? Raindrops.
I think he was expecting us to be a little more aggressive.
Maybe. Little.
Exit coming up.
I think it's stupid how YouTube blocks videos when there's a song in there like playing in the background. That's retarded. If they're that hell-bent on it, they should give all the royalties to the copyright holder and let the video be. You know, I guess they do that on some songs, because some of my videos with songs in them don't get blocked, but some of them, man, they're just anal about. They just block the whole video and nobody can see it. But I have several videos on both my channels that have copyright claims, but the videos are still viewable. It's AC/DC, they're anal about stuff, I guess, and so is Fleetwood Mac, certain artists. This fucking rain better stop. You can smell it too, it smells like rain.
Your videos, sometimes you can't tell the difference that it's music playing in the background. It's through your cinema.
I know, yeah. Smokey, what the hell is that? I wonder if... That might be a house fire or something, dude. That's not any trash burning. Something's on fire that's being put out.
Did you find it?
No, I was looking at the fire over there. I'm gonna go back and check it out in a minute. Hopefully there's no flames over there and they put that shit out. Definitely looks like a fire. Fire.
Oh god.
This is a dually coming in here.
I kind of smell it. Luckily the wind's kind of blowing that way, so you can smell it every now and again. It just really sucks. But just text Louis, see if he wants to show up.
All right. Do you have you got his number and stuff, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if they left the key in the forklift.
Oh god, dude. Like, I fucking work tomorrow?
Oh, you're working tomorrow?
Yeah.
Damn, I got like no hours on my check this week. It's gonna suck. But we're gonna get real busy. Oh, it is starting to rain. Some bitch. and gonna get real busy next week. So, and I might be working next weekend.
Huh.
Which sucks. It's probably be all sunny next weekend. It's gonna rain tomorrow. Should be working tomorrow.
I don't know working overtime, but I just like fucking working with that air quality so shitty at the fucking company I work at.
Yeah, because you're probably gonna slide out. Let me go over there and investigate. I am the chief mechanic. Is this what you're concerned about?
Yeah. I just wiped it up.
Oh. Oh. You should keep your tool on hand, dude. You could just fucking do it up right here. Yeah, it's definitely leaking.
Still leaking?
Well, yeah.
Bad?
Well,
Like
it's gonna be.
What?
My boot.
Busting those wheelies, you'd be losing some fork seals on your own.
And you know what? I'll take it right to the dealership and get them replaced for free.
Shit.
But that probably won't happen this year. Give it next year till it happen. Because I want to put this bike through hell. I need to buy another bike so I can have a backup. I need 2 of these motherfuckers. One blue, one red one.
You like bought that thing like what, 3 weeks ago?
I don't know. I already want another one. That's how good a bike it is, dude. I'm telling you. Seriously. Dude, I'd fly my drone, but it's going to be windy and rainy, so I'm just going to hold off and see if it stops. Go check out that fire again.
I'll be the moto millionaire when I catch myself low siding. Freaking sparks and it blows up.
Yeah, dude, that's a fire over there. Like,
YouTube famous.
something is definitely burning up over there. But it looks a little smaller now. A little more contained, I think. Getting a little dizzy.
Huh?
Getting a little dizzy.
A little ginger root.
Yeah, right. Not touching the ground. It's pretty quick. That was from 40 miles an hour. Ooh. It's a lot longer distance stopping from 40 to 45. Wow. Just 5 miles an hour at that speed makes a huge difference. Good brakes on this bike, man. Good brakes. That was 47 miles an hour. I'm just doing hard stops from. It's starting to rain now, and that was hurting my eyes. I had my visor open, and I got up to 47 miles an hour. My eyes are stinging now. This bike's like, it stays totally straight. You can just hammer the brakes, dude, and it squiggles maybe just a little bit in the back, but it's good. It's way good. Downshifting.
Oh, that's right. I was gonna practice shifting. gear shifting. First I'll cool my engine down to speeds.
Not bad, not bad.
The thing I want to try and avoid is getting a false neutral.
Oh yeah, that happens to me sometimes on this bike when I'm doing the slow speed maneuvers and the turns and stuff over there. And it's like it clicks and it's usually on downshifting. Like when I'm downshifting from like second to first. If I don't stomp it in there hard enough, it'll go to neutral.
Oh, stop raining.
Yeah. This fresh asphalt sucking all that moisture in. It's not
There
bad.
was somebody else that was like, you know, as dumb as me to try stuff for the first time. You know,
Yeah.
like,
Well, dude, I was thinking today. I was like, man, I want to crash. I want a low side, dude. And I'm like, fuck. I need fucking crash bars on this thing. Yeah, I want to experience it. I want to see how far I can get on this bike. But at the same time, you know, these are shit tires, and I don't plan on running these tires ever again. So there's not really a need to push the limits on these because, you know, probably in a month or two they're going to be gone. And then I'll be into a tire that I'm going to run, I think, for a long time. It's going to be the Shinko 705.
a little fun on a gravel road. That's my low side.
Oh yeah, that'll happen. That'll happen. But I need some motherfucking crash bars. That girl Amanda from the As a Magpie Fly, she just got crash bars put on her CB500. Jealous. Jealous. You know when I dropped my bike, dude? It did touch the fairing on this side. I noticed it when I washed it the other day. Oh well.
Yeah. Well,
You gotta look.
I expected there to be a lot more damage.
No, it,
Be more obvious.
you could barely tell. You gotta look pretty hard, but whatever, it gives a character. This is
You're
good.
not gonna sell it for like a fucking decade anyway, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this and just ride the fucking living shit out of it. That's what I plan to do with it when I bought it, so that's what I'm doing. I already got scratches on the tank. This is gonna be my bike, like my dual, everything. I'm gonna take it off road and crash it even there too. As long as I don't break my bones, I'll be good.
It's like bikes that be devalued to like 80s, 70%, and they kind of hold on. Definitely.
Yeah, dude, this bike will still be a $2,000 bike, maybe $3,000 when I'm done with it. You know, after I've fucking put 40, 50,000 miles on it. I know I can at least get 25 for it in a couple years. Who knows? Maybe even more, dude. You know, you never know.
I was thinking like 35.
Well, if I have,
You're gonna have like fucking 100,000 miles.
that's the thing, dude. If it's gonna have high mileage, then I won't get as much. But finance company called me the other day, and they offered gap insurance. They said they could tack it on to the end of the loan, but right now I'm okay. But they said maybe in a couple years I might not be, but I can get it anytime I want. And I'm gonna be able to, I already asked them, I'm gonna be able to refinance in like 4 more months. So I'm gonna refinance at a lower payment. There's 2 different refinance options they do, but so I'm gonna get even more knocked off the loan in 6 months. Yeah. But I told her I plan to have this motherfucker paid off in 2 years. So if I do, then that'll be good. But maybe, I don't know how it's gonna happen, but if there's a chance, dude, I might try to buy another motorcycle this year. So maybe something like that R6, if I can find something like that R6, do something like that again. Well, yeah, besides all that, that was a cool, fun bike to. Oh, I told you I talked to Chris, right? A couple days ago, he texted me. The guy with the R6, did I tell you?
Yeah, the quick shifter, Chris.
Yeah, and he said that he found my bike for sale. He was like, dude, are you selling your R6? I'm like, dude, I'm already like 2 bikes past that bike. But he was trying to find the ad, and he said the ad was gone, but he said pretty sure it was my old bike that was for sale. So, okay, I'll buy it back for $1,500.
Sometimes there's just crazy deals out there, you know, like freaking
Did you see the guy on PNW Moto?
I don't care about those fucking weirdos.
Not on the forum, on the Facebook that you're a group of or whatever, I think. He posted an ad. He wanted to find a good condition leader bike for $2,500, and everybody was like laughing at him and shit. Well, he just posted back today, I think, and he got a badass Honda V4, the RC51s. You probably don't know what bike I'm talking about, but they are rad, dude. They're from the early 2000s. In fact, Max Riss has one. It was a clean ass. It's a clean ass bike, dude. It's a Honda. You know, they're red and silver. Actually, it's a V-twin. I don't think it's a V4. It's a V-twin. I think I said V4. Yeah, he got it for $2,400, and it's clean as hell. It doesn't have a bunch of miles on it. Clean title. So yeah, there's deals to be had, dude.
Dave Moss got an old Gixxer 750 for like $4,200 or some shit like that. There's a whole story behind it.
Who?
Dave Moss. He made a video of it.
Oh, that 600? Yeah.
It was a 750.
Oh, okay. Well, they're tearing it down. They're totally redoing everything on it. The videos I've seen.
Really shouldn't do anything too exciting. It's leaking. Come on now.
That's in the wet.
Don't be on me with me now. Come on.
Oh, yeah. It's gonna rain on us. Yep. Boop.
Good. Dang. It's a fine specimen right there.
I got a smile from her. Haha.
Are we going left?
Dude, there's a parking spot right here. Woo-wee. She's driving a badass car too. Dude, hold on. We got parking right here, right in the front.
I'm turning around.
I got you a spot reserved right up here. Yeah.
Hello.
Ugh, it's not gonna work.
Phone connected.
And we end the evening at Mod Pizza.
I wasn't paying attention how fucking wet it was out here.
And it's raining. Alright. At least we got a short ride home. Would you say you're ditching me?
Yeah.
Why?
Ditch your ass, you know, hurry up. Whatever. Oh, pick him up, truck. Oh, gosh. It's raining.
It is.
Grandma.
Where are you at?
Grandma from Utah.
We're hitting all the red lights.
Oh shit.